Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey y'all, it's Nisi here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning back in. If you're new here, welcome girl. And if you're returning, welcome back girl. What's up? I am on my way to go and get my nails done. Treat myself for Mother's Day, even though, you know, Mother's Day is this weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and treat myself and get my nails and my feet done. And I may not record it because the nail shop's not all that cute. You know, I may, I'll see. Hey y'all, so done with the nail shop. I'm actually done with the nail shop and I went to go have lunch. So I'll show you guys like my nails or whatever once I get somewhere where I can show you guys my nails. But anywho, I'm not gonna hold you guys because it is raining. I want to focus on the road. So I'm on my way to pick up baby Diva from the school. And yeah, then we'll go home. Ciao. Woo! Alright.
Oh, I get the shrimp.
We just pulled up at Wendy's. You know how you order like the 4 for $4? And she was like, oh, shit, it's hot. That fry's hot. I'm cooking it now. She was like, we ain't got no nuggets. She said, you gotta get extra fries. I said, okay. And she said, hold on, baby, we found some nuggets. Like, baby, where did you find these nuggets at? She said, we found some nuggets. I said, you got enough for 2 people. I need 8 of them. She said, yeah.
I want to the extra fries. I love from Wendy's. They bullshit.
I think they still gave you extra fries. So we just made it back to the house and I had a package. Hoop, Fashion Nova. So I'm probably gonna open this up and I may try it on because I think it's just my jeans that I got. I tried to catch that little jean sale that they had where all the jeans like $25, but don't think I really caught it, but I still got a good deal. So I want to open these up. Whew. Okay, so let's see. Because I thought I had ordered some shades too, but I got these little taupe pants. I just slapped myself in the face. I just got these taupe pants. They some high-waisted dress pants. I've been seeing them on Pinterest for the longest. Let me move this up the way. I have been seeing them on Pinterest for the longest, so you know how you double tap something on Pinterest and it'll tell you like use like the shopping link and stuff like that. So I got these. We're gonna see how those look. And I got me some shades. The other side sunglasses. Girl, I'm sleeping, child. Oh, those are cute. That's what they look like. They two-tone like that. That's cute. Period. Pooh, don't talk to me. Those are cute. And I think these was like $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then I got these jeans. They are a size 9, but these are the high-rise skinny jeans, our favorite high-rise skinny jeans, in a medium blue wash. So I'll probably try them on later for you guys. And then I got these, the luxurious distressed super stretch flare jeans. So these is almost like wide leg. I'm gonna see how these gonna fit because I got all of them in a size 9. So I know with the stretch, I think I can wear that. But I will try those on with you guys later on, and we'll see how those look and see if I need to keep them or even send them back. But until then, honey, your girl's about to take a nap, and I think I'm about to play. I'm gonna take a nap, but once I get up, I'm gonna play around with the vlogging kit and my camera. I'm gonna play around with that and see what I need to do or whatever. But I am tired, so I'll pick the camera up later. Here are my nails. Yeah, ladies. She did really, really good. Let's see if I get close up. She did really good. I'm gonna insert the picture that was like my inspo. But yeah, here are my nails, honey. I really like it. I think she could have did the bubble bath another, like one more coat, but it's fine. I really like it though. But those are the nails. But yeah, like I said, I wish she would have did the bubble bath coat one more time, like just one more time, but it's fine. So the girl not doing nothing. I just cleaned up a little bit, and what else did I do? I took a shower. We just put a pizza in the oven. Now I'm sitting here watching Aaliyah. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is what I'm doing today. I basically changed my name for my YouTube, well, all my social medias except for Instagram, because for some reason it keeps saying I can't do it. It say I can't do it before 14 days or after 14, something like that. So I'm just gonna try to wait, I guess, some more days and then try to change everything over to Niecy Lane. But when I say I have been sitting here trying to do this banner, oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all don't understand. I'm finna show y'all something. So, y'all see all this little space right here. You would think that you can put all your stuff, like you can put your picture over here, your stuff right here, you know what I'm saying, and just fill this right here in, because it's gonna show, like it says, viewable. You know, you can view this on all devices basically, but technically it has to fit just this little space right here. Forget my nails because I gotta whatever. Technically it has to fill this space right here only. When you're doing it on your computer, it has to fill just this space right here. Now, if you put it in here and it's all, you know, like your picture, whatever you got going, it's all over here and something is all over there, it's going to show just like that on your banner. So this way, when you put everything just in here, and the way I had to do it was so damn tricky. I don't know if I'll be able to really explain that, but this is the new banner for my channel, because it goes with, you know, the picture goes with the picture that pulls up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and save this. So we're gonna click done. So here is the new banner. Oh my God, I love it. It's simple, just like I like it. I want it to be simple and straight to the point. Just like the picture, straight to the point, honey. So yeah, here's the new banner, and this is what I've been doing today. So yeah. So you guys, I just got back from the grocery store. By the way, today is Sunday, so this is what I picked up so far. A lot of the stuff I did go put up in the refrigerator, well, the freezer, but since I'm cooking these right here tonight, some Philly cheesesteaks, so I got some little buns to go, the little steak things. Of course, my baby some milk. We got bread. We got these, and I think I seen these on TikTok. They said they, I guess it would be better for you or whatever, but yeah, we got these. My pico de gallo, I love pico. My honey turkey. I got some little rice, things I can do with chicken. I got me some cilantro and onion. Stuff like this I like to buy because I don't like to cut up shit. But I got me some Worcester sauce, some salads, Lucky Charms for my daughter, and I got me some salsa. Of course, I got me some biscuits. Y'all heard my story about my biscuits. But, oh yeah, and I got me some butter. This is the only butter that I use. So we're gonna go ahead and just put this stuff up because, baby, when I say it's hot, y'all can see the sweat on me. It is hot out there. But anywho, if you new here, welcome. Come on in, sit down, because we friends now. But all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for checking out my videos. Thank you so much for returning. Thank you. Thank you. But anywho, let me go ahead and put this stuff up because I'm hot. I gotta get up out these clothes, and yeah. So yeah, today I was not letting nobody mess up my mood today. Child, listen, I'm just at a point where I don't want to deal with anything negative at all. And if I can control that, guess what? It's in my hands. So, before I went to the grocery store, I was just like, you know, I'm gonna smudge myself and just, you know, today's just gonna be positive. Today is gonna be a great day, and it is. You know, people be trying, but child, anywho, I'm trying to figure out why is it a shortage on so much stuff. Like today, I went in Starbucks inside of the grocery store, and I was trying to get the ice white mocha coffee or whatever, and she was like, "Oh, we're out of that." She was like, "I believe a lot of us is, you know, out of the white mocha," and I'm like, "Baby, we got a shortage on baby milk. Now it's a shortage at Starbucks. Ain't no telling what else. I heard it was like a chicken shortage or something, like chicken wings or something like that. And then at first it was like, you know, the Hennessy, the liquor and stuff. But everything is going up. Gas going up, rent going up, everything's going up. So I'm, you know, really confused as to what's really going on. But child, who knows?